Hello, my name is Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about the 12-week year system and going through my free 12-week year Notion template, which will be linked in the description. The 12-week year is a goal setting and executing system that was created by Moran and Michael Lennington. They also published a book on it, which I will definitely read in the future, and you should too. The concept of a 12-week year is to achieve your 12-month goals in the space of 12 weeks. So the point of it is to get more done in 12 weeks than you usually do in 12 months. Sometimes when we set goals for the year, we usually fall off for a couple of months and think, it's okay, I've still got time. And then you blink and the year is gone and you didn't achieve everything you set out to do. So we are not doing that this year. We are going to break our year up into 4 12-week quarters. Then we're going to set achievable but ambitious goals for ourselves to achieve in each of those quarters. Working on a quarter-by-quarter basis is super beneficial. It makes your goals feel so much more attainable and in reach because you're not having to wait a full year to achieve them. And because you're seeing results much quicker, it will help you to stay motivated, focused, and on track. So the template I'm going to be showing you is on Notion. I love Notion. It's the best productivity tool ever. I literally use it for every part of my life. I made a Notion tour video, so I'll link it in the description. It took me about a month to get the hang of Notion, and I'm still learning things about it, but now I've found a system that works so well for me, and it's just exactly what I needed. I cannot recommend it enough. So let's look inside my 12-week year Notion template. So this is it. I originally started off with Montelle Bee's template, but I just changed it quite a lot to suit my needs. But I will link her amazing video in the description as well. So it just says 12-week year template and it says from vision to reality. So the first thing on my 12-week year template is my 2023 goals. So my top 3 goals for this year are to reach a 50k combined following on all socials, have an overall physical health glow up, and have 18k in my savings. So then breaking it down into the 12-week year, my 12-week year goals are to get 3k more followers on all socials, have an overall physical health glow up because I can't really break that down, and then the last one is to have 3k in my savings. And then underneath that is my why. Reasons come first, results come second. So my why is to inspire others, live my dream life, and show others what's possible for them in the process of doing so. Become financially independent, stable and free, and take great care of my family. So the next section is just to show the 3 goals, the strategies to achieving them, the costs and the benefits. So goal number 1 is to have 3k more followers, and then I've just got a little collage that I found on Pinterest which kind of shows being like an influencer and all that comes with it. So my strategies to get 3k more followers are to create and edit as much content as possible in spare time, post on all socials at least 2 times a week, engage with a similar audience, schedule content, stay on trend and niche, and track my analytics weekly. So the costs for this are my spare time, energy, and my comfort zone. The benefits are helping others. I will become closer to becoming an influencer and living the life of my dreams, experience, confidence, and it will open up more opportunities for me. So the next goal is to have a physical health glow up. And then I just made a little collage on Canva. So the strategies for achieving this goal are drink water daily, eat healthy, work out, skincare, regular sheet changes, wash hair every 4 days, and self-care. The costs for this are effort, discipline, and mindset changes. The benefits are better health, increased confidence, and it will translate into all areas of my life. I'll be happier and more energized for my loved ones and online community. So goal 3 is to have 3k in my savings. My strategies for this are to work my 9 to 5, only allowed to buy things if absolutely necessary, no takeaways, once a month as a treat, don't be lazy, there's food at home. Use budget tracker, work on personal brand, look into adding more income streams. So the costs for this are time, energy, and not buying the things that I want. But the benefits are less worrying about money, closer to being able to move out, and money to help fund my business ventures. Okay, and so the next section on this is staying on track. So in this section, I have strategies to staying on track, and it's in a toggle. So you just click the toggle and it drops down with my strategies. So the first one is to stay disciplined and focused, cut out distractions, stick to my action plan, keep track of goals, and remember, if it's not helping me towards achieving these goals, then I probably shouldn't be doing it. I need to think about how it will benefit my future self rather than my current self. And I also need to remember that my success is inevitable. So those are the strategies. Next is a calendar, and it's in a toggle as well. So for the calendar, you just put in anything that is going to help you towards achieving your goals that you need to remember and just schedule down. You just click the plus button and you can put in anything that will help you towards achieving your goals. Next is a goal achievement rewards page. So on this page, it just has a little table of your goal and what reward you want to give yourself for achieving that goal. Okay, and so the next section is wellness. So on wellness, it just has this little toggle for starting overall wellness. And in this toggle is just a massive table. The purpose of this is to assess each area of your life. So these are the areas on this side. And then you give it a rating out of 10, and then you just give it a priority rating, so low, medium, and high. Next is current reality, so you just write out your current reality with that area of your life, and then your vision in 1 to 2 years. So when you're writing out your vision in 1 to 2 years, make sure you say it in the present tense. This is so that you can actually step into the feeling of being the person you want to become, who is already living that reality. So after that is the skills and habits required, and then bad habits to break. You can also delete areas from here and also add in areas that are important to you. So then after that, you just put in the completed date of it and the key takeaways. So the habits and skills that you need to improve on. So the next section is, it says Q1, which means quarter 1. So there are 4 quarters in the year. And it says month 1, 2, and 3. Month 1 is January for quarter 1. And these are all toggles as well. So you just click the toggle button and it drops down. And inside of this is a daily tracker, which is also another toggle. And you just click that. And it comes up with a daily tracker for week 1. So you just put in here the actions that you need to take every day to help you achieve those 3 goals. They don't have to be massive actions, just small things that will help you towards achieving those goals. And so each day you just tick off that thing once you've done it. So at the end of the week, all you need to do is click add new week, and it will make another daily tracker. But it will say week 1, so make sure you just delete it and put in a 2. And then the same thing goes for that week. So if you have actions that you know that you need to take every week, then what you can do is go to this add new week, and at the end of this it says configure template. You click that button and you can just write in whatever it is that you're going to be repeating. So say I change this to, let's just say journal. Put in journal, press return, and then after that you press close. And if I press add new week, it will come up there. So that is the daily tracker. After the daily tracker is an end of month reflection section. And the first one is another wellness table. So just rating every area of your life. Give it a priority rating, your current reality, and your vision in 1 year. Then underneath that is just how you did with your goals this month. So goal 1, goal 2, and goal 3. And that is all for the month. And it's exactly the same for all the other months. So to start a new quarter, all you need to do is highlight these 4 lines. Click the 6 dots and drag it into the archive. Once you've done that, click on the archive and then you can see them right here, and you want to do the same thing, so highlight all of them and then click the 6 dots and drag it into 2023, then drop down 2023, highlight them again and move them into Q1, so quarter 1, and then you will do that with all of the other quarters. So you just drop that down and you can see them right there. So then go back to the other page and scroll down to the bottom and click the other months toggle. Then you want to highlight the next quarter and drag it outside of this toggle. Click the toggle button again and there is your new quarter. And that's it. I put lots of energy into making this template, so go get it now and start filling it out so we can all win this year. I also just posted a video on goal setting for 2023, which would help you figure out your top 3 2023 goals, which you could plug right into this template. I'll link it in the description and a few of my other videos that you might find helpful in making your dreams your reality. I'm honestly so happy that I found this concept because I'm such an ambitious person and I've got just so many goals and dreams, but I've just never had a system to actually help me track and achieve those goals. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this productivity method this year, and I think that if we put in the work and stay committed, then we'll actually start seeing real results and changes in our lives. It reminds me of this really inspiring quote. Each day you're presented with 2 choices. Evolve or repeat. Which one do you choose? So will this be your year to evolve or repeat? So that is all for this video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, questions, and if you are going to get this template and try out this 12-week year system. I would also really appreciate it if you could please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join my dream community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. What in the world? Okay, I will try again. Okay, come on. It's okay, I can do this, okay. What's going on? I need chill. I need to chillax, you know? You know? See, why can I see that? I don't want to see that. Bruh. This is why I never shred my hair, because it's just annoying, you know? Oh my gosh.